This is where I am. It's beautiful. Very nice. This is a nice area. You know, this is a beautiful area in the country. The South is always nice. I always like the South. Every time I come, I always go, it's so green, it's so lush, it's so this, it's so that. It's always beautiful. Pretty cool. Pretty good view. Very beautiful area. I'm liking this place. I really like this place. I've got myself a little scoopy motorbike, and I'm tooling around Khanom. I'm on my way to Sichuan, and I'm just checking things out. So for the next day, I'll have this bike, maybe 2 days, I don't know. Welcome to Sichuan. I made it. It's about 30 minutes from Khanom. Here I am. Lots of windy roads, but I'm here. So I'm gonna just take a little quick jaunt around and see what I can find. I've been driving around in Sichuan. I went by Sichuan Beach, and then I ended up here at Sichuan Lonely Beach, and it's lonely. There's nobody on the beach, just like many of the other beaches. There's really nobody on the beach. I don't see one person on the beach, and that's it. So, I mean, you talk about you want peace and quiet, this is where you come. This is the way that it is, and you know, I wish there's more I could say, but if you want a place where you can relax, where you can be lonely if you want, or you can get away with your loved ones, this is the place, man. I've seen very few foreigners, even the Thais. There's not that many Thais. The roads are almost empty. You have a car pass by once in a while. You have a motorcycle pass by once in a while. I just love it here. I love this. I think it's fantastic. It's like being where my wife is from, out in the countryside, except there's an ocean. Very nice. And the people are very nice. And, you know, it's very nice. But the ocean is here. And you can pick whatever place you want. That's what the good thing is. And my mind is not made up yet on which beach I like the best, but probably Khanom. I don't know. But I like all of them. They're all nice in their own way. Even Tongyi Beach, very small, but very nice. I like these beaches. I like this place. I got a 40-minute drive back to Khanom, to my hotel. And you know, it's all right. It's raining a little bit, but you know, it's just nice to be on the bike, cruising along. You watch where you're going, you take in the sights. It's fantastic. I love it. You know, what can you say? This is the way to explore Thailand. You can do it on foot, you can do it on motorbike, but you need to be exploring the country. You need to be walking around. You need to be going to new places, seeing new things. I'm all alone here. I love it. It's like almost everywhere I go, I'm alone. There's people around, I can hear them, but you hear birds. Awesome. I'm at the Summer Beach Cafe, Restaurant, and Bar right here on Khanom Beach, not far from my hotel. I'm gonna have a pizza. I'm in the mood for a pizza, so why not? You gotta check out this view though, it's fantastic. Right on the beach, I love it. That's nice. Very good. Pizza was the right move. I felt like having a pizza. I was longing for a pizza. There it is, and it's hitting the spot. Good morning. Sawati Tong Chow. I am up bright and early, and now it's about 7:30, and I'm getting ready to go out and go see the pink dolphins. Maybe that's why the room is all pink. I don't know. But supposedly there's pink dolphin. Who knows if they're exactly pink, or some of them are supposedly pink, some of them are a little blue, some of them are black, but we'll see. So I'm on my way out. Okay, we are en route to see the pink dolphin, Loma. Stopped at 7-Eleven, but it's just a short little ride to the pier, and supposedly we'll see some dolphin. Now it's not guaranteed, but hopefully we will. So we're on our way. Lucky cup. This is the big boat.
Okay, ich mach der Chat das gleich.
All right. Off we go. All you hear is the drone of the engine. It's great. Out at sea, it's not too rough. Maybe rain's gonna come in a little while, but it's pretty nice, relaxing. Hopefully we'll see some dolphins. The sea is getting rough, my friends. It's getting rough. It actually is getting more rough and more windy, and it looks like some rain's going to come in, so hopefully we'll have time to see something. We're headed over there now.
Now the tide is really low. Para.
Không có ra này là không ra là không ra được.
Don't call it viewing. We're trying to view the dolphins, but there are no dolphins right now. A bad day of fishing is better than the best day on land. Something like that. Very, very windy today.
These fish, they are very good to swim. No, they steal the stuff from the house.
Oh, they steal the stuff in Thailand. Monkeys are naughty. You have to watch out for them. They'll steal from you. They'll steal everything you have. I think our quest for the dolphins is over. No dolphins. Very windy. Very, very windy. It's starting to pick up and get a little bit rough. I'd say that the seas are maybe 2 to 4 feet. No dolphin. That sucks. But, you know, when you're dealing with marine life, wildlife, that's the way it goes. Where are the loma? Where? Still on the prowl. Hopefully that will get them to the boat. I like being on land instead of water. At least I'm on a big boat.